Hello there guys, it's me Hello there guys, it's me Trackmaster, and today I'm going to show you how to turn, basically, this is my Trackmaster Proteus, by the way, it's actually just a handle I painted up to become Proteus. And I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in the handle, the hit toy company Reneus, Proteus, Sir Handel, Peter Sam, and Scarlery, and Luke. All those narrow gauge engines. I don't know if Freddie had the same method. But anyway, so what you'll need is a cross-shaped screwdriver and your new battery. So what you have to do is you have to unscrew. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to carefully unscrew the train. Okay, so what you have to do is unscrew the handle or whatever engine you're unscrewing, and I think your best screwdriver. Yeah, this is a little bit better. So what you have to do is keep on screwing. So it takes a bit of time. That noise you can hear in the background there is the washer. I think the paint from when I painted this has come off. Oh! Very, very difficult. So eventually you will get there, and as you'll notice that the face and boiler section lifts off. Now just remove your old battery and then simply put in the new battery. I think we need to get back to battery. First one. That one's slow. These batteries are not very good, are they? Let's get some new batteries. Try this one, it won't work. Whoa! There we go. Now what we have to do is you just have to put the boiler back on by simply holding it down and then screwing it back again. Oh, that's weird. But you basically just have to screw it back on. Yeah. Takes a lot of time to do this because the handle. Yeah, it's just and there we go. So that's how to replace the battery on narrow gauge Trackmaster trains. So thanks for watching and bye for now.